Welcome to Rheidon Plus app. Tap Sign up to create your account. Type your email, set a password. Check your email and add a code to confirm. Tap Manual Device Selection. Choose your charger's Wi-Fi and then link your phone to the internet. Wait while the device connects. This may take a few seconds. The charger starts in charging delay mode. Select Charge Now. Adjust the current. Press the green button to start. To stop, hold the green button for 3 seconds. Select Charging Delay. Set the time. Press the green button to begin countdown. Want to charge now? Hold the green button for 3 seconds. Smart, simple, efficient. Choose Rheidon for better charging experience.